In today's video, I'm going to teach you draw an arc with a specific length in AutoCAD. If you've ever needed an arc that isn't just eyeballed, but measured to a precise length, this method keeps everything predictable and quick. We'll use a built-in arc option that lets you set the start point, define the center to control the radius, and then type the exact arc length you want. Begin on the Home tab. In the Draw panel, find the Arc tool and click the small caret or drop-down arrow to reveal more arc creation methods. From that list, choose Start, Center, Length. This version is ideal when your priority is a specific arc length because it prompts you for the start and radius first, then takes the length as a final, exact input. Click to place your base point. This becomes the start of the arc, so use object snaps like endpoint or intersection if you need accuracy. Next, click to specify the center point. The distance from the start to the center point becomes your radius. As you move the cursor, you'll see a live preview that helps you position the center where it needs to be. This choice matters. With the radius set by the center, the arc's angle is dictated by the classic relationship between arc length and radius. A larger radius with the same length gives a shallower sweep. A smaller radius produces a tighter curve. With the start and center defined, look to the command line or the dynamic input near your cursor. AutoCAD now prompts for length. Type the exact arc length you need using your drawing units, then press Enter. The arc will be created immediately to match that value along its curve. If the preview isn't what you intended, press Istisai and repeat the picks. It often helps to zoom in and use snaps for clean center placement. A quick tip on units. Make sure your drawing units are set the way you expect before you enter the length. If you're working in millimeters or inches, your typed value should correspond to those units. You can also turn on dynamic input for easier on-screen typing, and keep an eye on the command line to confirm each prompt as you go. And that's it. By using Start, Center, Length, you get an arc that begins exactly where you want, uses the radius you define with the center, and matches the precise length you enter. It's a simple, reliable way to control your geometry without guesswork. Thanks for watching, and happy drafting.